Literally, just that quick, and I am back. What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I am back with another video.
See you on the grind, but you look better in person. Working, twerking, throw it and reverse it. Tell me if you nervous, moving like you certain. Curving, slurping, skirting like I'm swerving. Earn it, shorty, you deserve it.
You guys know I've been rocking my natural hair, and right now it's in a messy bun. Y'all, my hair has been holding up like pretty well. I ain't gonna hold you. Like, I've been loving having my hair out because like it's just so easy to maintain now that I learned how to really like take care of my natural hair. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install your hair without braiding it. This video is like really for all my girls with the natural hair, the natural thick hair underneath, and you just don't feel like braiding your hair. Well, today we're gonna make things a little easy where we can just throw on our wig and go. For this video, you're only gonna need freezing blast, a blow dryer, flat iron, your wig, and that's it. We're not doing no ghost bond, we're not doing no ball cap. I'm making it real easy for you guys, okay? I hope this video like really like turns out good. The first thing I'm gonna do is just like brush my hairline back. I'm not putting any gel on my hair, but I still don't want my hair in the way at all. So I'm just going to brush all my edges back. And yeah. Brush, 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 brush. Yo, y'all, edge booster have my edges down forever. You see, it's hard to even come up. Like, edge booster is really the GOAT. So, okay. I'm going to leave my hair just like so. It's in a flat ponytail. I just took my edges back because I don't want no hair in the way. So now the back. If I put on a wig right now, you guys are going to see a hump. And I'm not even going to do it because I'm not going to embarrass myself. This is my first time doing this, y'all. So honestly, don't be fooled. I never did this before. We're both doing this together for the first time. So like I said, if you leave your hair like this, you will have a big lump in the back of your wig. And nobody wants that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to split my hair into two. I'm going to take one side. I'm going to braid this. Y'all, this is my first time doing this method. So, honestly, I hope it works. I hope this is an even part because it looks like this side is bigger than the other side. This saves a lot of time. Like I said, you don't have to worry about gluing. You don't have to worry about bleaching. You don't have to worry about doing anything. This video is like 100% beginner friendly. Like, I'm really here to save the day for you guys. I already went ahead and I wrapped one braid around. I don't know if you guys can see, it's hard to understand, but I'm going to show you guys what I just did. You're going to need bobby pins because I realized my hair was not staying down. I'm going to take this, wrap it going this way now. I'm going to pin that down. And I'm going to pin that down up here. Now, it's going to be tricky because, y'all, my braids, like, they aren't staying with the pins. Now, y'all, your hair isn't going to be flat, but it's going to be flat compared to a ponytail in the back of your head, right? I feel like I should put a stocking cap over my head just to, like, hold my hair down, right? That's smart. So I'm gonna get a stocking cap, the one they gave me in a bag. I'm gonna take this stocking cap and I'm just gonna put it over my head. I never really like installed a wig without doing the bowl cap. Okay, am I retarded? Like, so now I'm just gonna move that back. I don't really want that in the way. This is really different for me, y'all. This is my first time doing something like this. I never installed a wig like this, so yeah, bear with me. So make sure all that is back like that. Make sure that the braids look good. So now it's time to get my wig, y'all. This is my Afsisterwig. I don't think I have to do any adjusting. I do know that I have to cut out their ear tabs. So I'm just going to put the wig on my head to make sure that you don't see like the cap. And you don't. Yes, you do. Right there. That's the cap, right? No, that's not even a cap. That is the cap back there. Is that the cap? At this point, honestly, can you see the cap? You could see the cap, right? I feel like you could see the cap. You could. OD. You can see the cap. So, I'm gonna put makeup on the cap since you can see it. Why I gotta do all this? Like, how other people be getting away with this? Like, why I gotta just put something on my cap? So hopefully that's good enough. At this point, I'm about to just install this wig regular because I have no patience for this. But hopefully this works. Cap back on my head. Let's see if that made a difference. And it did, right? It made a huge difference. Thank God. Okay, so the cap keep going back though. Why I keep sliding back so much? I feel like, can you see it? I don't think you can see it unless you like really touch my head. I don't know. Bada boom, bada bang. What I'm gonna do now is, okay, so y'all, before I go ahead and do the ball cap method, the braids were not like laying as flat as I wanted them to be. So you guys know those 2 braids I did? Well, I turned those 2 braids into 4 braids, meaning I cut those 2 in half and made it smaller braids, and I wrapped it around the same concept as before, and this lays way flatter because them braids were just too thick, y'all. So I had to make them smaller. So that is how it's gonna look. The back of your head. Now let me go do my ball cap method and I'll be back. So yeah, I'm back. Got my ball cap on. It doesn't look perfect. I honestly don't care. You guys don't even have to do all this, but to me, everything has to be perfect. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig on my head, y'all. I'm using both of the adjustable band. This wig is already looking bomb AF. Bomb AF. I just need to cut out this ear right here. Honestly, this can be a glueless, but not today. I'm gonna comb the hair back and just clip it out the way because I don't want it in the way while I'm spraying down the hair. Okay, so yeah, I went ahead and I cut out my ear flaps, and this time AF Sister placed the adjustable band in the correct spot for me because y'all know before I had trouble laying down the sides and I had to cut out the adjustable band, but this time it fits, y'all. And I could wear this as a glueless, but nah, I rather have I like my wigs to be secured down. So y'all, this plucking, oh my God, this plucking is so A1, y'all. This plucking, I'm jacking OD. This is how it looks. I did not bleach it. I didn't have to do nothing to this wig. Like I said, this is beginner friendly. This is my first time installing a wig using freezing blast. So this is gonna be kind of tricky to me because my wig is exactly where I want it. So I'm gonna hold down one side. I feel like I have to have my blow dryer ready at the same time. I have my blow dryer ready, and what I'm gonna do is well, this is what I see people do. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys if you want me to zoom in. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just start spraying the freezing blast right where I want it to stay. And I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer now on cool. Now I really hope this stays. I'm gonna do like a thick layer like that. Go in with my blow dryer on cool. The only thing I can say I don't like is the hair is going to be hard from the freezing blast, but you can just comb that right out, honestly. This part really stayed, and boom, like you have your wig on in literally not even 3 minutes. Like that was quick. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. Mad quick, y'all. Almost felt like seconds to do. Now that that is installed and the frontal is looking bomb, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure my hair is in the middle because I'm gonna now start to style the wig, and I want to make sure my part is in the middle, of course. With this, y'all, if y'all do it this way, Your hair is not gonna last long, I'm telling you right now. Like, this is just temporary. Like, freezing blast never lasts long. This is really temporary. You guys know this is really trending right now, the band method. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my band around. I don't feel like it's gonna fit my head. My head too big. I'm gonna go ahead and tie my band around my hairline just so I can get a better melt. Oh my god, this don't even fit. While I wait for that to fully dry, I'm just gonna, y'all, I'm sweating. Oh my god. I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten my hair. Okay, so y'all, it should be dry by now. And y'all, let me know how the back of my hair look. Does it look flat? Cause y'all install on flat and yo, ooh, y'all, this is a bomb install. It looks flat, y'all. Like, does it look flat? Cause it looks like I'm gonna be doing my installs like this all the time. You know, take a break from the glue. So now let's take this this elastic band off, and let's see how this is looking under. Ooh, wait! Stop playing with your girl. Stop playing with your girl, y'all. It looks crunchy because of the what you call it? Because of the, what do you call that? The freezing blast. But ooh, oh my god, this looks so good. This looks so good. Oh my god. Let's go in and cut this baby off. And I'm cutting in zigzag going all the way down. So this side was just easy to cut off. You guys see, like, that just looks so natural. Oh my god, this looks mad natural, y'all. With this lace, y'all, I literally had to do nothing to it. You guys saw what I did. I didn't bleach. I did pluck, but I didn't do as much plucking because they already did enough plucking for you. But y'all, this install looks so wavy. I never did a no baby hair look. I think I'm jacking this. I ain't gonna hold you. I think I'm jacking this no baby hair look. But now let's go ahead and cut this side off. I be having trouble with this side, y'all. I be having to start from down here and just go up. This way is like really temporary because you sweat or do anything, best believe your lace is coming up. I'm letting you know, like, your lace is gonna come up. So just be prepared. Like, don't be surprised if you're sitting there sweating and your lace comes up. Like, I told you it was gonna come up. Oh my god, y'all, I was not recording that whole time. I'm so upset. Yeah, I got scared. I thought I wasn't recording, but I was recording. So you guys saw all that. Yeah. So this is my install, y'all. This is my first time doing a no baby hair look, and I think I'm jacking it, but you guys already know I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add my baby hair. To me, I could kind of still see like the lace. Like, can you guys see the lace? Let me know if you guys find it because I don't know where it's at. But yeah, I'm jacking this install. Hey, your sister hair. This wig did not take long to install. I made it long because you guys, I didn't know what the heck I was doing in the beginning, but once you got it down pat, y'all, this is all lace right here, y'all, and you can't even see that. Like, it looks like skin. So I'm gonna leave that alone, but I'm gonna cut like more of this lace off down here. Should I leave that? Nah, that one's not like that. I'm gonna just cut it off a little bit. I don't want all this extra lace on my head. You see that? I guess this is good right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. On the road to 39K, man. Let's get it, let's go. All the details to this wig will be down below. Yeah, who's telling me what? Nobody. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
You are packing the air, this gas or what? He'll still be alive right now if you niggas ain't gas him up. Give my shorty stimulus and guns, I tell them slap for none.